So let's modify the actions in the song controller to work with genres. So for our add action, I want to add the genres to it. So I'll use another view bag, and I will use a property called genres, and I will get them by going to context dot genres. That's our data set for genres, and we can order them by name as well. So in our lambda, I will go to m goes into m.name. So that's the name of the genre, and let's turn them into a list. So we don't have to pass anything inside the view because we are using the view bag. So view bag is available to us no matter what we pass into the view. That's like I said many times, this is a dynamic property available in the view. And I'm going to copy this because it's going to be the same for the edit. So for the edit, for the HTTP GET, I will add the view bag genres into it. Again, we'll simply grab all the genres that are available. And the same for the post. In the post, we get the songs and we decide whether we are adding a new one or updating existing one. Then we save it into the database. So we don't actually need anything with the genres there. But if something is wrong, we want to remain inside this view. So we want to have the view bag available for the genres. So here I will paste it again, the viewbag.genres, and get the list of all genres. And for the delete, we don't have to do anything. We're simply deleting the whole record for the song. We are not deleting anything about genres. The genres stay the same. So we don't need anything with the genres in our get or post delete actions. But we need to, of course, modify the views. So we don't have to modify the delete view either. As you open it, we simply delete the song. But we need to modify the edit view. So let's do that next.